This is Matt from Snake River Vapors. We got some fidget spinners here that are, all these are missing a piece. Each and every one of those is missing a piece. And then we have one of these really nice Stars Oni ones. It's very loud. Compared to all the other ones, it should not be that loud. Very, very loud. Also, we have this one here, and this one here doesn't even hardly, it doesn't spin at all whatsoever. As well as this guy here, which also doesn't spin at all. We also have this one, the bearing, assuming they're press fitted in here, but this one, okay, just falls right out. So as you spin it, it moves around all the time, and it's brand new. And then we have this one here. Once again, you can see it. That bearing is just falling out of there. Not staying in place. And this one here, something's like catching in there. You can probably hear it. It just stops on its own. Something is caught, or the bearing is just too wobbly. It's not working. Also have another one of the regular spinners here, not part of that set. Another red one. It's also missing a piece as well. So thank you for your time.